get away with it. Really? Why not?
Hello everyone, dear friends. My name is Vitali and I represent the company ASPRO. Need to dry up a leak quickly? Or maybe there's a flood? No problem, because there's the ASPRO dehumidifier. We will tell you where dehumidifiers are used, how they work, what makes them different, and what functions they have. The ASPRO dehumidifier ensures the necessary air humidity in a room, efficiently handling any tasks. It dehumidifies air in swimming pools, water parks, and laundries. It helps eliminate the consequences of floods, inundations, basements, and cellars. But most likely, we are interested in construction work. For these, you will find two key functions useful. First, preliminary dehumidification. Before starting finishing work, the ASPRO dehumidifier prevents further moisture accumulation under wallpaper. Drywall panels, tiles, parquet, linoleum, laminate. The second function is drying screed, plaster, brickwork. The drying time of various materials is significantly reduced. The dehumidifier will allow for the removal of a large amount of moisture in the shortest possible time. Operating principle. Moist air passes through a cold surface, the evaporator, where condensate or water is released and collected in a drainage container. Then the air passes through a hot heat exchanger, thus heating up. Next, the heated and dehumidified air returns to the room. Our range includes two models of dehumidifiers. The ASPRO-DRE 60 has a capacity of 60 liters per day. It can handle a room up to 80 square meters. The ASPRO-DRE 90 has a capacity of 90 liters per day. It can handle a room up to 80 square meters. The ASPRO-DRE 90 has a capacity of 90 liters per day. The ASPRO-DRE 90 has a capacity of liters per day. It can handle a room up to 80 square meters. The ASPRO-DRE 90 has a capacity of liters per day. It is capable of dehumidifying a room up to 120 square meters. The ASPRO-DRE 60 has a condensate drainage into a 10-liter tank. The tank is equipped with a float valve that shuts off the dehumidifier when the condensate is full. There is an option to connect the drainage tube to the condensate outlet fitting and direct it through a special hole directly. Attention! It is necessary for the end of the drainage hose to be below the level of the drainage fitting. The ASPRO-DRE 90 model is equipped with a drainage pump that activates as the special tank fills up. Condensate is removed from this tank through a drainage hose, the end of which can be positioned above the drainage fitting. Both dehumidifiers can operate continuously. Inside there is a powerful fan, tube connections with high-quality soldering, and a body on convenient wheels. The dehumidifier's control panel is clear and bright, displaying the current temperature, actual and desired humidity, timer, and operation indication. The DRE 60 model also has a water tank fill indicator. The panel has 4 buttons for turning on and off, selecting the desired setting, and 2 buttons for adjusting the selected parameters. We set the current time using the increase button for hours. The decrease button is for minutes. The same method applies to air humidity. Next, we can set the timer for the dehumidifiers to turn on. After this interval, the dehumidifier will automatically turn on. The same method applies to the off timer. Turning on and off with both timers set will repeat cyclically. That's all. Thank you for your attention. Like, subscribe to our channels, and write any questions in the comments. This was Vitali with you. See you next time.